Are you looking to get your website to the top of the search engines, but you don't know where to start with SEO, or you don't have the time to learn? You might be like a lot of website owners and marketers. Maybe you already understand SEO and have done all you can to get your sites ranked higher, but you are frustrated by a lack of results. Look, you probably already know that the key to getting higher search engine rankings for your main keywords is simple. It's quality backlinks. The more quality backlinks you have pointing to your website, the higher your website is going to rank in the search engines. The big question though is, how do you get more quality backlinks to your sites? Chances are good, if you are like me, you have invested in lots of different ways that really don't work. You've tried different backlinking services, maybe providers through Fiverr, or maybe you've used automated software. Or if you're like me, you've tried outsourcing your backlinking to overseas companies, where they go and build a whole lot of forum profile links that never get approved, and they engage in comment spam, and at the end of the day you just get no results. Or you have tried to do it yourself by writing lots and lots of articles and submitting them to article directories, and that just costs you time, money, and look, you probably just don't do it consistently to get the results in the long term. Where have all your backlinking efforts got you so far? Well, if you're anything like me, they've just got you frustrated. In a moment, I'm going to tell you about a WordPress plugin that creates thousands of quality backlinks for you on autopilot. First though, let's just check out some of the results we've been able to achieve for some of our clients using this WordPress plugin. This is a client who's a mortgage broker in Templestowe, and as you can see, if you type in Templestowe mortgage broker, we've managed to get him the top 4 listings in the Google search engine results. Here's another one, a lady client of ours who hires out a photo booth for parties and weddings and corporate functions. We've got her 2 of the top results on page 1 for her main keyword as well. Here's another example of a property investor, number 1 position on page 1 of Google. And another one, page 1 of Google for career counseling. And one of our sites, how to get clients from Google, number 1 position, page 1 from 95 million possible results. Here's another one, another mortgage broker we worked with, top position in the page 1 of Google search engines. So these are just some of the results we've been able to achieve using this WordPress plugin. I think you get the idea here. The important thing to keep in mind is that all of these great results came about through quality backlinks. So how do we get enough quality backlinks to each of these sites so that they ranked on page 1 of Google? More importantly, how can you achieve similar results for your websites? Let me introduce you to Backlinks Rotator. I created Backlinks Rotator because I was frustrated with the whole process of getting backlinks to not only my sites but also my clients' websites as well. What I was looking for was an easy way to create backlinks and to automate the process and not have it cost me a fortune. So initially I created Backlinks Rotator as a way of solving my own needs and my clients' needs to create hundreds and thousands of backlinks to our sites and push us up through the search engine rankings onto page 1 of Google. Backlinks Rotator. What exactly is Backlinks Rotator? Well, simply put, it's a WordPress plugin that will create backlinks on our members' sites pointing back to your site. Yes, you heard me correctly. Backlinks Rotator will actually create the backlinks for you automatically. Once the plugin is set up and installed, you then add in the links of your site and keywords, which is what we call anchor text, that you want other sites to display for you. The widget displayed on each of our member sites looks a little bit like this. It has recommended sites and then up to 10 other sites from other members within the network. Your backlinks will be displayed on hundreds to thousands of our members' sites, all pointing back to your site. So it looks like this. The widget will appear across other members' websites from our network, and in time we'll create links pointing back to your website, and these become backlinks when the search engines find these different links across our members' websites. Each time one of your links is displayed across our network, you use 1 credit. Each time you display the Backlinks Rotator widget on your site, you earn credits. Premium members can earn 3 times to 10 times as many credits as free members can, creating more backlinks for you in the process. Here is where it gets really exciting. When the search engine spiders visit each of our members' sites where your links are displaying, they see it as a backlink pointing to your site. Now, we've built into the Backlinks Rotator a way to keep the search engine spiders constantly visiting our members' sites and therefore creating even more backlinks in the process. The more of these backlinks they find across our growing network, the higher up the rankings your site is going to go. Let me show you just how easy it can be to use Backlinks Rotator. This is one of the sites I set up just yesterday, and it's a little niche blog, obviously, on weight loss. I bought the PLR rights to, so I've done virtually no work on this at all, apart from install the pre-configured blog, and then I put Backlinks Rotator onto it. And you can see it's listed here as recommended sites, and it has a range of relevant health and weight loss type links being displayed here. Now, when the search engines come across this site and that finds these links here, it will create a backlink to each of these members' sites in the process and do it automatically. So, looking at our back office here, this is what Backlinks Rotator will look like once you've installed it onto your WordPress site. You can see your basic details here. The category is health, the membership status, how many times we've displayed your backlinks, and so on, as well as notifications from the administrators to keep you in the loop of what's happening. If I go to the backlinks section here, okay, this is where you'll see the actual links that we have inserted into the system to start creating backlinks for. You can add a link in here anytime you like, select the category, put your keywords and your description in here. Let me show you a few that I've already done. Okay, here's one of our backlinks here. The keyword we're trying to get linked for is lose 10 pounds. We put it in the women's issues category, and already Backlinks Rotator has displayed this link across our member network 10,000 times. And you can see we've added in a number of different links here, and the key is to add in links to your main URL as well as different posts and pages from within your blog. What that does is it creates deep internal links that give you even better results. And you can see here how many times we've displayed each of these links across our network. One of the services we've built into the Backlinks Rotator, which I mentioned before, was a way of keeping the search engines coming back to our members' site. It's also a way for you to earn more credits. Notice here that you earn 100 credits every time you ping the links of one of our member sites. So the next link to be pinged in the queue is truefatburn.com. If I click this button, it will now go and ping that link, earning you 100 credits, bringing the search engines back to our member sites and helping everybody achieve more backlinks in the process. And you can see here now that that link was successfully pinged by our system, earning you 100 credits and bringing the search engines back to these member sites, which helps everybody create more backlinks. Let me show you now how easy it is to actually add a link in by adding a new post into this blog. So what I've done is gone into add new post, given the post a title, weight loss plan, added in some dummy text there, and obviously you'd put in a quality article or blog post there. But as you scroll down, you'll notice the Backlinks Rotator enables you to actually add this in as a link directly into our system when you actually create the post. So what I would do here is choose the keyword lose 10 pounds. I'm going to use the same description, and I'm going to go in here and choose the category of health. Let me find that. There we go. and I'm going to check this box here, which means it's going to make this a permanent link in the system. If I wanted to, I could also display permanent links in the post, earning me even more credits, but on this occasion I'm just going to submit it for a permanent link into the system, and then we go and click on the publish button, and what will happen then is it will automatically add that in as one of the backlinks in our system for you to be creating backlinks from. So it's really simple to add your links in directly from your posts or pages as you add those in. One final thing is, let's go and look at our widget. The widget as a premium member gives you control over the categories that you are going to display on your site, and you'll notice I've got the widget installed here. If I just open that up, you'll see that I've currently got health selected. If I wanted to, I could choose several categories just by simply holding down the control key and selecting it, and you can choose as many of these categories to either display or to not display, so you have the choice. In this case, this is a weight loss blog, so I've got it set to the default of health display. So what the system will do is it will endeavor to display only links from the health category, dependent on whether those links are available. So that just gives you a brief overview of the Backlinks Rotator and how easy it is to actually use it and work with it. So I guess the obvious question is, how much is Backlinks Rotator going to cost? Well, the premium version is just $47, and I want you to think about that. How much money have you spent previously, and how much time have you wasted trying to build backlinks to your websites in the past? Well, Backlinks Rotator will do it all for you automatically. It's a once-off $47 fee. There's no ongoing charges. You just pay $47 and the system will then start building backlinks for you in the short term and over the long term as well. Now, the question you've really got to ask yourself is, what's it worth to you to get your website on page 1 of Google for your main keywords? And if it's worth more than $47, this is a no-brainer. The premium version enables you to install the plugin on multiple sites. Each time you display the widget on your site, because somebody has visited your website, you're going to get 3 to 10 times the credits for displaying that widget. You can add in an unlimited number of links into the system, and in fact, the more links you add in, the better. And it gives you greater control over the widget categories, as we've just seen. So if you're looking for a solution to help you start to build backlinks to your site, and to do it automatically, and to help move your website up onto page 1 of Google, as I've shown you with those case studies, then Backlinks Rotator is the solution you're looking for. Below this video, you're going to see the Add to Cart button. I highly recommend that if you're serious about getting your website onto page 1 of Google, you click that button now, you get yourself Backlinks Rotator and install it on your site, and start building backlinks to your site today and moving your site onto page 1. So grab your copy of Backlinks Rotator, and I'll see you in the members area.